people with, like, when you YouTubers are out there videoing people, how do you guys adjust? Because I was listening to Pammyd, and she has kids, and she tries to find a quiet place. And congratulations, Pammyd, for your, I think you got a ton of subscribers now. How do you find and how do you get situated to get into the zone to deliver the message through, you know, for plants? Because I just got one, and it's sometimes kind of, it's a happy day, and then I want to open up the box, then I gotta show you guys what's going on. I'm not complaining, but for those that have different types of other variables in the situation when you're trying to deliver, and you have to just put stuff out there, quality stuff, because you can't just put nothing out there, because if you don't have any content, people won't watch. So how do you guys, how should I say this, for the lighting, like the lighting, because usually I like to video like around 5 when I get off of work, and the lighting is just perfect because southwest window. I don't know if you can see me now, but I didn't have to color correct. This is all camera. So and it's also the plus for the plants, because like this is where I house the majority of my plants, which you saw. But anyway, let me stop rambling. We got a new plant from Facebook, and let me tell you about Facebook now, or the negative side. I mean, I just had my work, and it's still in progress. So I was worried about this. I'm like, how does Facebook respond when you buy something from another person on Facebook? And what if things go bad? Like, what if the person never ships your plant to you? Or what if like the plant comes in damaged and the box comes in like smushed or whatever? But what I'm dealing with currently, and I'm not going to put any names out there, just saying, it was a cutting of a different type of plant that I was wanting to take a cutting of, and it was like about a 4-inch, maybe a 4-inch cutting of a certain plant for $3. So I said, what the heck, let's jump on it, something I haven't seen before. Because I guess right now I'm looking for sport, which I heard that's like a terminology from most of these advanced or experienced plant keepers, collectors, etc. Some people look for sport, some people try to breed. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do with plants that I'm just like learning more about as I encounter more and more people. And I had one question. I'm like, I didn't hear about this variegated stuff until like, what, a couple years ago. How long has the variegations, these Thai constellation variegations, how long have they been out there? Just if anybody knows, leave me in the comment section below. So what we're going to do today, I want to open up a new plant from Facebook. Opening up books. That was kind of quick. Did you see me do that? I open up boxes for like a living, and I can open up a box probably faster than the average person can. And people say, oh, you need a knife, and I usually do use a knife. Packaged pretty good. I usually do use a knife, but I just felt compelled to just open it up like that. And packaged really well. And what I do sometimes, basically, when I do get a plant, and since you're going to have to most likely trim your plant so they stay manageable, because they're trying to take over. They're really trying to grow. That's the main purpose: grow and you know, procreate or reproduce. So that's what they do. So they're going to get big, and since we're getting different varieties, trim them and sell the cuttings, save the boxes, save the stuffing. You can sell on Facebook and, you know, make money just by your plants, by your hobby, if you want to call it that. Alright, so this is pretty cool. She wrote something on here. She wrote the name on here. Philodendron bipinifolium ×3. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. See, that's love right there. That's plant community love right there. And that's what it's all about. I heard somebody talking about the bullying thing, and I want to put my how should I say it? I just want to put my views on the bullying, plantykindness bullying that a lot of people are talking about. It's a hashtag. If you haven't seen it, I forgot the lady's name. I'll put it in the comment section below of the YouTuber that was getting bad comments on her page. I'll put that in the link below if you haven't seen it. But I have a plantykindness. But I have to get permission from the person that I'm using in the video as an example, and I haven't got that yet. So that's going to be soon. I'm just trying to do it as everything progresses, because I'm still editing that video, and then I have to I just got this today, and we have to open this up because we don't want it to die. So this is kind of like a time-lapse thing. So I need scissors for this because it's pretty much taped around very neatly. So sterile scissors all the time, and you know, I clean my scissors from time to time, but I actually just opened that up without using the scissors. I'm going to carefully cut away. With that plantykindness thing, I still want to. I got a little upset because I'm like, why are people talking about people? And then I said to myself, it's just what people do. People always want to judge. It's like the yin and the yang. So what can you say? You know what I mean? But this is really go. Really well. Very nice. This is the horsehead philodendron. Head's supposed to look like a horse. And these are cuttings. Pack is very cool. Rubber band, plastic bag. Preserve the moisture and keep the roots nice and cool. And what I'm doing now, I guess if you ever try to get a plant and you like a plant in a nursery or whatever, it's good, you know, don't just like explore it, examine it, because you can look in between the leaves. They could be taken on or housing pests. I mean, there's always a chance. So if you like a plant and you see it in a nursery and you think if you see some white powdery stuff, go directly to that powdery stuff and make sure you look at that, because it might be mealybugs or whatever, because the nurseries get them from growers, so they're always coming in, and there's like a chance of them not being able to get on the situations fast enough before a person buys it and they can pick it up, bring it home, and then now they're infested with mealybugs. I was about to have that happen not too long ago, but good thing I was like really looking at it, and I was looking at these Florida palms, or bamboo palms, and I looked at one that I liked, and then I saw the mealybugs, and then I looked at another one. I was looking all through it, then I saw the mealybugs, then I looked at another one, then I saw the mealybugs, and I said, you know what, maybe I can get rid of the mealybugs, and when I bring them home, would they give me a discount for having the mealybugs? Because now I would have to incur a cost for, or in time, away from taking care of the plants, trying to get rid of the mealybugs, because you got to quarantine it from your other plants because you're bringing it home, then you're treating it, etc. That didn't go too well, so I said, you know what, I'll just wait for you guys to do your job and get them out of there, and I'll be back later. But basically that's pretty much it. Horsehead philodendron. I also want to drop one bomb on you because I'm going to do them one at a time. I'm going to show you a special guest that I just got from HO Plants, and I have the Phyto certificate. I didn't mention that. I have the Phyto certificate, and it just arrived yesterday. I'm not even going to say anything. It's just a moment of silence. Moment of silence. Look at that. Look. Have you guessed what they are yet? Do you know what they are yet? 'Cause I know what this one is, but I have to do my homework on this guy. Keep showing, like, look at that. Look at that. Just going still, moment of silence. But pink philodendron, pink princess, and I gotta get you the name on that. I'll put it in the section below. But just a quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Gerard's Horticulture Culture. I'll keep you updated on what I'm going to do with these plants because I just got them and they're still wrapped in their sphagnum. Peat moss, I got to get some moisture in there, but I'm just going to keep it at that. You guys check me out in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments, and also share with your friends. Keep growing.